You may walk out of your door and be hit by a car, or go to your work and a piece of machinery falls on you, or go to the doctor and the wrong diagnosis causes you some suffering that you didn't expect. In all those and many other circumstances, you can claim compensation. You need to be able to show that somebody has been negligent who has owed a duty of care to you. And assuming you can do that, then compensation should follow. Compensation is based on hurt and suffering. Now, you don't get millions for a cup of hot tea falling on your fingers, but in Scots law, the league table of injuries is set out and your solicitor can advise you as to what is the likely compensation for a broken arm or a shattered pelvis or whiplash and all sorts of other injuries. Also, if you've had to take time off work, you can claim for loss of earnings. And if you can't work in the future, you can claim for loss of future earnings. If perhaps you have to have a nurse or some kind of social care look after you, then you can get compensation to pay for that as well. And of course, legal costs on top of that. Now, ideally, your solicitor should be able to negotiate a settlement out of court for you. That's the ideal situation. But sometimes insurance companies or local authorities or big companies are not willing to settle, and you have to take them to court. And that can be a long drawn out procedure, but if you have the evidence on your side and you have the law on your side, then eventually you will prevail. You'll get your compensation and your costs.